To obtain a copy of your DD-214, there are two available methods. The first option is to submit a request online through a system called eBenefits. To do this, you will need to log in to the website and navigate to a tab labeled eVTREX, where you will select the Request Military Records option. From there, follow the provided instructions, entering the requested information and specifying where you would like your documents to be sent. Once you have completed the process, you will need to print the final page, which includes a fax number and a signature page. Sign the page and fax it to the designated number. The second option is to submit your request through the National Archives. To use this method, you will need to have a Level 2 account with the eBenefits system. Log into your account, navigate to the Manage Your Benefits option, and then select Documents and Records. From this page, access your documents and records, and then select the Military Personnel File option. Choose the Request Your OMPF Information option. Accept the terms, and enter your email address and branch of service. Select the documents you need and submit your request. The system will send a submission acknowledgement note, and you will be notified via email when your documents are ready. To access your documents, log into your account and select the View Your Retrieved OMPF Information option. By following these steps, you can obtain a copy of your DD-214.